Hello everyone in internet land. Hope everyone is well today. My name is Dom. I present to you my second unboxing. In front of you right now is my Superman box from the Legion of Collectors subscription. Okay, now as you can see in the front we have Superman, which I presume that everything involved is related to Superman. Whether or not it's from the old one, the new one, or in between, we shall find out, shall we? Alright, now I have my brother Josh who will help me unbox it in front of you and slowly, one by one, show you what's inside. Now, let us begin with the unboxing. The box has been pre-opened, the tape has been pre-cut so you can see it nicely. I will go close up now. Okay. Oh yeah, the famous logo. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman. Most definitely. With the Legion of Collectors logo. Wish I didn't have that part, but it's okay. I understand. Let's see if I could get a bit more close up with this one. Okay, excellent. Superman Collector Legion of Collectors pin. Perfect. Now, that actually is not that bad. Let me see if I could. Nope, sadly I cannot get too close. That's as much close as I can get for you folks. Let's pull back a bit. Okay. Of the two, I must admit I kind of like the patch better, but both of them are still okay. Now, let us begin with what's inside the box. Oh yeah, this time around my brother's gonna come take each item out, show them in front of you on top of the desk, and it'll also be my first time I'll be seeing it. Okay, let's go. Alright. Ah, classic Superman. See, that's my taste, folks. The classics. Excellent. To the right. There you go. That's awesome. Okay. That is truly awesome. Okay then, that's great. Say one more time from the sides. Great. If I remember, or we remember, we'll probably open up the box for you and show them the item already unboxed. But for now, I do enjoy this. This is awesome. Classic Superman. Okay. Oh, the little hair on front. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, thanks. Next item. Okay. Okay. Awesome. All right. Really went retro with the very first Action Comics appearance of Superman. DC exclusive. Oh, this is great. Let me get closer to the... Alright. Awesome. Just like the original item. I mean, the original way it was in the comics. Okay. Let me pull it back to see the back of the box. Sorry, folks. You could read it here. Okay. Awesome. Go pan back. Oh, Funko exclusive. Okay, excellent. Okay, show the front again. I will admit, folks, I love these action figures. I used to collect them way back when, and when I can, I will also get them. But yeah, I'm happy to have this in my collection. However, folks, I will not be opening this to show you in more detail. It will remain in the box sealed. But I think you, for collectors, you understand what I'm trying to say. All right, next item. Okay. Can you tilt it a bit though? No, to you. Push it back a bit. Like tilt it, pushing back. There we go. Okay, pop keychain. I do have a few of these pop keychains in my collection. Not too many. Superman. Okay, just like the Funko miniaturized. And if I am correct from at this position, he's like in an action pose, like about to fly. If I am correct, awesome. Okay, just a regular one with the sad onion right there. So okay, turn around. That's the one. Yeah, he is indeed in the act of wanting to fly. All right, same side. Okay, maybe pull back a bit. This is cute. All right, I appreciate this one also, definitely. Next item then. Okay, my brother's laughing. That means it's something he saw is cute. Alright, it's the comic book time. Superman #1. Okay, this is awesome. Yep, he had to get an appearance, isn't it? He had to get an appearance. That's why he probably wants a whole bunch of bells with his comic. Alright, Legion, Superman #1. That's awesome. So, definitely. I will admit, I don't know if I'm going to open the issue for you, but at least you know he's on the front cover of Superman #1. Though I will admit, I wish Funko would make their own exclusive Funko comic books for their boxes instead of variations of existing comics. If they had their own Funko comics, it would be more awesomer. Alright, next item. No, that's okay, don't worry. There's nothing in the bag. Okay, if I'm right, here comes the t-shirt. Baby version. Okay, this is awesome. The shirt looks great. At least, well, as much as I can see at this angle through the bag. Okay, most surely we'll be opening this and put a picture side by side on this with this video. So you can see it in more detail. At this time, it looks okay. And the action pose, any other information I will add with the photo. Okay, here's the back. Superman. Okay, thank you. This is my side, right? Okay, thank you. Next item, or digo. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is the card that's inside the box. This is, of course, for the next subscription box, which is Wonder Woman, and I'm pretty sure it's timed by the release of the movie. Alright, I am expecting great stuff coming from this collection. Fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen. Turn it over if you can. I'll go a little bit closer for you guys and gals out there. Alright, here it is. Perfect. Alright, I guess that's all. I really wish they would have gone even more further and put tributes to classic Superman like George Reeves.
Christopher Reeves.
And Christopher Reeves. Both have Reeves in the name.
Oh, okay.
Both are Reeves. Okay, the classic one, the classic TV version from the 60s. And with especially if you've seen episodes of I Love Lucy, George Reeves appeared there. And of course Christopher Reeves, which even with the latest versions of Superman, those two are the ones I really wish I was seeing Funko form or any merchandise from Funko. Hint, hint, Funko land. Alright, I guess that's it if I'm right. Okay everyone, here's a group shot of almost everything from the box, except for the t-shirt, which is of course too big at this time. However, what are my impressions of this box? like I said in the past with the Marvel one, I get these boxes on purpose because I know the quality of these are going to be awesome. I'm going to enjoy them very much. Okay? I will admit the comics I don't read as much. I barely read them because I would rather have an actual Funko comic book in each subscription box, which I think many of you will also enjoy. Will also appreciate and enjoy. Now, overall, I do indeed enjoy these because this has a little bit of my taste throughout. The Funko's naturally classic Superman, which I want. The classic Superman Funko, which is just awesome, along with the retro Superman from the Action Comics. Yeah, you can't beat that one. Those two makes the purchase awesome, worth it. And of course, if the teacher was behind here, so also those three together, along with the fourth or the keychain, yeah, surely this is a worthwhile box. Okay, folks, this is it. This is the end of this unboxing. Hopefully soon, another unboxing will be appearing either with me or my brother. Any which way, I thank you for seeing this video, and as always, like and subscribe this video. And in case you don't get updates, remember the little bell on top. Click on that to get notifications. And once again, I appreciate your time watching this. Enjoy this box. Thank you, Internet Land. Bye bye, everyone.